In this episode, I'm going to apply the concept of distinguishing people problems from situation problems. Teams that practice Scrum and extreme programming often encounter a problem that may mistakenly be ascribed to the team members themselves rather than the situation. It is the problem of badly written stories. Badly written stories, that's got to be a people problem, right? I mean, what's stopping you from writing a story well? Assuming you've been educated in the INVEST criteria, created by Bill Wake and popularized by Mike Cohn, your story is going to be independent, negotiable, valuable, estimable, small, and testable. But let's think about the environment. When do you write a user story? Where do you write a user story? Let's say developers write the stories. What is motivating them to do a good job at this? What is demotivating them? Let's start with when. Are developers being told, go write the code for feature X? Oh, and make sure you write a story for it. Is the story an afterthought? What are you doing to ensure that there is adequate time in the schedule for story authors to give the practice the necessary time investment to do a good job? What about where? Let's assume the developers enter stories into a issue tracking program like Jira. How much does the tool encourage good story writing? Are there templates or reminders of the INVEST criteria built into the tool? How well does the software get out of the developer's way? If the issue tracking software makes entering stories a pain, story authors are going to dread writing stories and not put as much energy into it. On the other hand, when the software gets out of the way, it can encourage a different way of thinking about story writing. Not as a chore that you do because your PO, your manager, or your Scrum Master said to, but as a convenient way of getting your thoughts in writing so you don't forget them. And let's not forget about a crucial part of any environment, your peers. When a new developer joins a team, they look to their teammates to learn the way things are to be done. If their teammates are all writing stories that go, as a developer, I want to deliver feature X, then that is what the new developer is going to do. So if your people are doing a bad job of writing stories, remind yourself that it isn't necessarily a people problem. The environment could be playing a role, perhaps the biggest role.